Behind me, I got the other wall painted. It's on the third coat now. Do one more coat just to make sure everything's as good as I can get it. The paneling that was on there is pretty dark, so takes a few more coats with the white paint. Afterwards, it looks pretty good. The kitchen has seemed to stay in really good shape. Just installed the sink. Put a little bit of butyl tape around the edge of it just to make sure no water gets down there if it does sit on top of the counter. So yeah, we're just doing random projects today. I did a fair amount of work with the electrical stuff in here. I have a house battery now, 100 amp hour lithium battery. I hooked that up and I wired up the diesel heater, fridge, and a couple other accessories as well. Solar charge controller and the solar panels. Very simple setup. I just wanted something that would run everything in the camper and I could just come in and it would just, turn on. I have a Blue Eddy AC180 power system which works awesome, but these eco-worthy batteries came on for a pretty good sale on Amazon, so I just picked one up just to give it a go. Now that I have the two batteries, I think that's all the power that I'm going to need. So with the electrical stuff, I didn't really film any of it because I'm not an electrician. I don't want anyone to learn from me, and I've done enough research and I've built other vans and worked on other camper vans in the past, so I know what I'm doing and what I want to get out of the system. I'll give you a quick overlay of what I did, but I'm not gonna show anybody how I did it. There's a bunch of videos on YouTube that are really good tutorials and how-tos about how to do everything properly. So very simple. I have the battery down here. It's wired to a couple bus bars. That comes into here. This is the original fuse area in the camper. But yeah, I've got a fuse block here of my own. I've also got the 30 amp charge controller for the solar. I get everything labeled here, things that I did, and then also things I'm going to do. But yeah, everything's working properly. A few more things coming in from Amazon to get it buttoned up 100%. But everything's fused properly, and yeah, so it's nice to have a system in here that it's not finished yet, but I'm going to build it so that basically I can come in, flick a switch, and everything works as it should. This is just going to be a template for some accessories I'm going to put in here. I'll eventually use a better piece of wood. This is just some scrap left over from the camper when I was taking stuff out. So I'm installing this little fan here so that there can be some more airflow within the chest storage here. It doesn't really get the same air when I do have the heater on in the cabin area, so having this I think will make a difference in at least bringing some fresh air into the storage area. And I also want to put one over here as well. I can either have air blowing in or have air blowing in this way and blowing out this way, so it'll create some more flow.